Ayan guys, gumagana na yung ilaw dyan sa stairs. Bluetooth yan. So bali, dito naman tayo. Ito yung mga tira ni Santino. Yan, kakabitan natin yan ng center light. Makikita nyo, yung kulang na lang is tube light and center light. So yung kakabit natin, ito yun. Mutic ceiling lamp, 3 colors option. 28 watts, 2,204 lumens. Ito naman yung price guys. So unboxing tayo. Oh, maganda rin pala siya.
I'm just wondering, maybe, can we take me, set all my feelings free? I know that you can, so tell me right now.